Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another Christmas decor which is used to decorate your Christmas tree, another Christmas tree ornament, which are pine cones. So very popular Christmas ornament. These are pine cones, and these which I have are golden in color. So today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging of it. So this package, these pine cones come in a set of 6 pine cones is what we get in this, and they come in this plastic packaging right here. You can see a plastic packaging right here, and then there's Merry Christmas decorations written on top, Christmas decorations mentioned on top, right? And it's a transparent packaging, so you can see the product right through the packaging itself. And yeah, they add a wonderful touch, traditional touch to your Christmas tree, and they make your Christmas tree look beautiful with this perfect wooden pine cones for Christmas trees. So this is how they look, and a wonderful finish. A golden color adds a wonderful finish to it. This is a threading which is there to hang it on the Christmas tree, so you can easily hang it like this on the Christmas tree, and the shape gives it a wonderful look to the overall ornament of the tree. Now the reason we chose golden, because it stands out, it shines compared to the normal brown, wood brown color. The golden color stands out, so it actually makes it look more attractive on the tree. So guys, if you're looking to buy these Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree, do check it out on Amazon. I left a link in the description below. You can purchase these on Amazon, and I'll have the link directly to them in the description below, so you can directly purchase it from there. And since it's the season of Christmas, we are reviewing a lot of Christmas tree ornaments. So do check out those videos after you all watch this video. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.